Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening Google AI Studio and signing in. Make sure your project is selected so resources tie to the right place. Once done, create a new workspace or pick an existing one, and quickly confirm region and billing to avoid interruptions. Next, import your dataset, upload files, or connect Drive/cloud storage. You do this now because data context determines model choices, and having assets ready speeds the rest of the workflow. You now configure the model. Pick a type that matches your task and adjust architecture options. This affects performance and cost. Then set hyperparameters, learning rate, batch size, epochs, and consider a small validation split so you can iterate quickly. Once configured, enable augmentation or preprocessing if needed, because that reduces overfitting and improves generalization. Start a short test training run to validate settings, monitor logs, and you finish by deploying the trained model as an endpoint and configuring access keys or IAM permissions so your app can call it securely. Once deployed, run several test inferences with representative inputs and inspect outputs for accuracy and latency. Make adjustments if responses drift. If something goes wrong, check the training and deployment logs first, verify resource quotas and the data schema, and rerun a minimal experiment to reproduce the issue. This isolates the problem and speeds recovery.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.